required the plywood. Now, let's bring a piece over here. No, think we're not leaving it. That is a nick. But I think if I cut it, it'll fit the back there. So let's see here. There. This one. Whoa. Yeah, I think that's big enough. I need to go get a marker. Okay, so now it's up against here, a little bit past where I want it, which is perfect. So I'm gonna trace that out, and then, okay, this is in place where I can trace out the back. It's a little overlapping, which is perfect. Just gonna get that traced out. We'll go from there. Come on. Hopefully it stays recording this shit. But before I do that, might as well see if it fits. Oh yeah, like a fucking glove, baby. Let's fucking go, dude. Hell yeah.
When you look my way again,
Hell to hell. Now I just gotta cut top down. Easy.
Got me floating high in ecstasy. I'm waiting for the weekend to be with you. This feeling's true. chemicals between us is sea to sea. You got me floating high in ecstasy. I'm waiting for the weekend to be with you. This feeling's true.
Probably couldn't see that most of the time, but that's good. Got that in there. And then, next I'm going to cut off some pieces to the bottom. And so I can close all that off. That'll be pretty easy. And that's basically how I want to have that centerpiece. Gotta do a little bit more trimming here and there, but it fits all the way down. And then what I'm going to have is I'm going to cut this probably about right here. So it's just using that bottom half. And then the top half is going to go on with that piece I already cut over there. And it's going to hinge down. Basically make a little table that I can use when the trailer's parked. So let's keep on going. Unfortunately, I didn't end up recording a lot of what I did here, but it was just some cutting and a little bit of measuring to get this done. The little wings at the end there on each side are going to be cut off. You can see that it meets down at the bottom. I have rib nuts in here and then one in here. There'll be a couple more along the... And I'm going to be using expanding foam to fill this area, and it'll just kind of lock it all in. Another day, another trailer. Same trailer. So I foamed this side, as you can see. Got to do some filling of some areas and stuff here and there. And then wax paper stops foam from sticking. So I got some areas here I don't want it to stick to. So let's get the foam removed in just a second. All right, now we foam it. Oops, shit. Don't want to do that. Oops, gotta. Alright. Alright, I had to put the camera down because it was annoying, so as you can see I foamed this side up. Gonna wait for that to harden here, and then I'm going to trim it like I did for the other side. I touched up some spots on the other side. We'll see how that looks. Might do a thin layer of body filler over it after that, just to seal it all up. But this is the front in a nutshell. Some more things to do for it just to make it complete, but it's almost there.